Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? It is hashtag 52 and 22. And what that means is 52 weeks in the year 22. And each month we have an idea. Each week the idea turns into theme. So we are in February and it is tags. Last week was vintage. This week, of course, is Valentine's. Happy Valentine's, everybody. So this is my tag. Little gnomes. Everybody likes gnomes. So, this is the first one. And this paper line is off Etsy. And that's the first one. That's the boy. Here is the little girl. And you can see the color difference. One is red, one is pink. And I'll show you. So this is the two paper. You got the paper. Pink and red. And then, look at all the little gnomes. Aren't they cute? I only paid like $3 for this. And of course, you have to print it yourself. Got this page. And this page. Pink and blue, or pink and red. God, I can't speak. And then you got like the little scenery. I just got mine. And here's the package in heart, just a little bit bigger. And it has some, like these little balloons that you see. They're separate balloons. I just didn't print them off. So, that's what I used to do these tags. Then this Happy Valentine, I just found off Google. And I printed it. So that is my tags right there. And I didn't do I forgot to put the pink on this one. My bad. I'll do that after. But them are the two tags that came up. I actually made a third tag. This is me just putzing watching a video the other day, but with the New Delusion cupcakes stamp. I so want it. But so I found a cupcakes image off Google. And it says, "Hey, Valentine, just wanted to let you know." And then you pull it up. And it says, "You're so sweet." And it just gets tucked in there. That was me just following along with the video. Kind of coming up with my own creation of the same thing. And that's that. So I made 3. But, anybody can join this, by the way. You just contact Sabrina and I, and we'll let you know what the month's theme is. Or craft theme, like tag, and then each week is the theme. So we have tags this month. 1 week was vintage, this week is Valentine's, next week's so. And then each month it'll change, like, I'll come up with some other idea for April. Or actually, sorry, I got ahead of mine. March. And then we'll work from that. So if you have any questions, please contact Sabrina and the Mismatch Crafter or myself, and we will happily answer them for you. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, and thanks for watching.